how to create a page on Facebook. In order to do that, head over here to your three lines. Then in here, you can see your pages. If you can see it, you can click on this see more in order to see that. Now, from in there, click on this pages. Now, if you want to create a new page, click on this create. Then click on this get started and then just enter in here your page name. So for example, let's name this App Tiara. Then click on this next. And then you can put in here the category. Like for example, let's put in here for education. Now click on this education website and click on this create. Then after you have done that, this will load in order to create your actual website. Now in here, you can create content and connect with fans, or you can also promote your product. You can add in here your profile picture or anything that you want, as well as your cover photo as here as well. So once it's been added, you can click on this text option right here. And then this will actually show you to your page audience. So that's how you create a page on Facebook. Hope we helped